Are you struggling with why you're still not losing weight even though you're eating a healthy meal every once in a while? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to share exactly what you're doing wrong. Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Chaney, and I specialize in helping people lose weight by transitioning to a plant-based diet. But most importantly, I help them no longer have to worry about gaining weight ever again by tackling their self-image when it comes to their food home. And so let's go ahead and get into it. Like, what is the thing that is keeping everyone away from being healthier? And the thing is, most of us believe success comes overnight, and that is just not true. It will never come overnight. Success comes with persistence. And let me just read you this part from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. He says, be persistent no matter how slowly you may at first have to move. With persistence will come success. And this is the biggest thing why most people are like always asking the questions, how long till I lose weight? How long till I do this? They're not being persistent. Just eating one healthy meal a day is not going to get you to the goal that you want. The truth is, you do not know how much food you're eating throughout the day. You're not tracking. You don't know what you're eating. And just saying, oh, I ate a salad. But is that salad really healthy? What kind of dressing did you put on it? Did you have a bunch of meat in it? What are the other things that you did to it? Just saying I ate a salad is not enough. And if you really want to understand this, because you're one of those pessimistic people that are like, well, I persistently eat it, I'm persistent. No, you're not. You're persistent in doing unhealthy habits. And if you want to understand how persistence really works, look at a child. Look at a baby as they're going from being a newborn to they go to that age of walking. They are persistently looking at you. But they're not just looking at everybody. They're looking at the people to see like, okay, can I do this? Can I do that? And then by the time they're close to 1 year old, they start trying to walk. And then they're persistent at it. They keep doing it. They keep doing it. And you're persistent at trying to help them do it. And so think about it. If you can do that for a baby, why are you not doing it for your health? Why are you not doing it for your weight? If you've been fat for so many years, why are you not persistently doing the same thing? But also go and get a mentor. Get someone that can help you do it. As the baby uses someone who can walk to help them learn how to walk and make it easier. You should be doing the exact same thing with your health and your weight. If you have a goal of wanting to lose weight, if you have a goal of wanting to be healthier, don't go and get a mentor. Don't go listen to people that don't know anything about being healthier or being at a healthy weight. It doesn't make any sense. And the reason why is we're about 5 degrees of separation from all the people that are the closest people to us. And what that means is we are within a money range from them, we're within a health range from them, and we're within a weight range from them. The 5 people we spend the most time with are the people that can actually give us the best insight on how our life really is. Are we financially set off? Most likely not if the 5 people around you do not have money. If the people are just going from paycheck to paycheck, you're probably pretty close within that spectrum of paycheck to paycheck. Or if they don't have any health, if they're going to the doctor every week, they're having illnesses, they're sick all the time, most likely you're within a range of that sickness also. If they don't have a healthy weight, most likely you're within that range also of not having a healthy weight. It's just the proof. It's just the truth. And we have to recognize this. And if we don't start recognizing this, we will never get the success or the results that we want. And so this is going to be a short video today because we have a lot more work to do in the background. And so I hope you got value from this. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you know someone who could value from this information, hit the share button. And also, if you know someone who needs to see someone, needs a mentor, needs someone that can help guide them to lose weight that has already done it, there's no one more qualified than myself. I literally went from 550 plus pounds to where I broke an industrial scale to where now I'm 235 pounds and I'm living a great life, and I can show others how to do it also. So just if you click the link up above or below and just subscribe to the YouTube channel or send it to someone that you know could get some value from it also. Have a great Thursday and stay supercharged.